Hey y'all, before you continue to watch this video, hit that subscribe button, like, and please don't hesitate to comment. Thanks, girl. Thanks.
Boy, boy.
So I use this to lay my edges because this shit is bomb.com. Shoe edges, it come in different flavor. It's like, if you guys know those lip glosses like back in the day, where they're like different flavors, like the strawberries and the cherry and the pineapple. This shit is it. And this smells good. I've used the pineapple, I've used peach, I've used like 3 or 4 flavors. It's something new that I used last year March when I was going to Jamaica. Girl at the hair store recommended it. It's infused with black castor oil and hemp seed oil, lasts up to 24 hours. Yeah, the hold on this is no joke. You don't need to back up with what do you call it, got to be glue. You don't need that backup, or even gel. Like this alone is good. You put this on. I'm going to show you guys right now. This is water-based, natural shine, non-flaky. This is sugar melon, and it's extreme hold. So I'm going to show you. I don't have my proper brush here, but I'm gonna make do. And honestly, if you were to see it build up, it's like you have to use it for a while. Then after a while, you'll start to see build up. And like anything else, it's like your hair start to build up dirt. But like the first half, you don't see anything. So I'll push my scarf back, and these braids are old. Holy shit. Look at that. Look at that. So look at that, y'all getting 2 in 1. My edge control secret. This is what I use. And when I put my hair in a low bun, this is what I use. My braids are old. How am I doing my hair? I did my hair from in I don't do too much with the edge. I don't. So I don't know if you guys can see. So just like that, and then I'm gonna use my same trestle scarf. You see my braids are dusty. They're old.
You look dusty, and your hair's uneven. Nobody likes you. I was waiting for you at the door.
They were done in Jamaica, and I don't want to pull them out because nobody try to comb no hair. So, and to call me nasty all you want. It's one thing I will say. When it comes to that, yeah, I'm nasty, because this is not coming out until about, so you know, it's the 2nd week of February. So maybe like the 2nd or 1st week of March. And then, so you put that on for a few minutes, and that's pretty much it. So Honestly, I think last time I did this, I did it matte because I feel like there's more. So we're gonna let that sit. We'll count down. Just like that. Get back to my tea. And that's just that. Like, these mascara just make my lashes pop. I love these lashes. I love these mascara. My brows, my lips. I think last time I made it my lip mattify, but I don't remember. I add lip gloss, so it kind of volume up the look, but that's okay. I don't care. But yeah, just a little foundation. I don't wear foundation every day. I'll come back with like a little Valentine's Day look with red lips. That seemed to be a favorite of people's on me, is that red lip situation. I like it, it's cute. And I feel like this mascara brings out the brown color in my eyes. But yeah, just waiting for my and mostly I only keep the scarf on longer unless like I know I'm going outside, but just to set it. And that's it. You see how janky my braids are. Need some oil, but see.